Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Google Analytics API. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in analytics.google.com, and you'll be greeted by a screen looking something like this. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Google Analytics. And of course, if you don't have problems with that, you can always go to our channel and check out the video on how you can do it. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see in the top left corner, we have the Home, Reports, Explore, and Advertising screen. And in the bottom left corner, we have the Admin panel. Also in the top right corner, we have everything that you need about your account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Google Analytics API. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is go and enter the API. After that, add a service account to the Google Analytics 4 property. Then when you did those two steps, you need to configure it authentication. And after that, you just need to go and install the client library, which is just a few seconds and a few clicks. And after that, guys, you just need to go and make an API call. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. Hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.